full-color RGB backlight, unique ball-shaped keycap design with cherry height and extremely ergonomics design provide you with incomparable typing experience. This is SK3 Tri-Mode Mechanical Keyboard. SK3 is compatible with any laptops under 14.9 inch. It can be placed directly onto the keyboard of any laptop under 14.9 inches without interacting with the original keyboard. SK3 Portable Mini, the best companion for laptops. The SIKAKEYB K3's main body is made from durable yet lightweight aluminum that has gone through CNC machining and a careful anode oxidation process. With its translucent back ABS bottom, out of the box, the SK3 is an instant classic, merging that fun, retro feel with elegant, clear-cut design choices. PBT material is applied on the double-color ball-shaped keycaps, which increases its toughness and heat resistance. SK3 uses Gateron hot swappable switches and default plate-mounted stabilizers, so you can DIY a typing experience you'll love. It is compatible with screw-in stabilizer, supports hot swap, meets your customization needs at its finest. 18 RGB default light effects, independent drives, customized light effects, and music-activated light effects help its RGB backlight keys to achieve the sleek, fashionable look, incomparable quality build, and limitless customizing options. Compatible with Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, connecting to 5 different devices simultaneously. Type-C 1, Bluetooth 3, 2.4G 1. Easy to switch. Single press switch to corresponding device. SK3, a technical, fashionable companion for laptops.